Hello everyone, this is Vladimir from My Digital Seller YouTube channel, and in this video I will tell you how you can start earn money online. And first of all, you need to get some knowledge to start use it and produce some value to the public. I want to share this platform with you. This is new branch of Fiverr.com. So learn from Fiverr. Here you can choose any field of internet job. For example, you can be a designer and you want to know how to use Adobe Photoshop properly. Or you can start your new Instagram channel and be a blogger, and you need some extra knowledge to promote your blog and to get money from it. Also, most important in our life, it is advertising. Facebook ads training will help you to improve your knowledge and to get money from it. And of course, storytelling. Storytelling is very useful branch of knowledge in internet marketing. You can use storytelling to promote your blog, your YouTube channel, or any product in internet. So, as you can see, there are a lot of valuable courses, program about email marketing, about viral marketing, secrets, which helps you to promote any product, and a lot more. And today you can use a promo code and get 20% discount. So click the link below, get this promo code and start your new business with help of these courses online. You can use your knowledge from Fiverr Learn and sell it with Fiverr.com and receive extra income from that. As you can see, I already earned about $128, and it was really easy for me because it's not something difficult. I just collect some information, help other people to build their website. Also, you can do some basic tasks like Photoshop or video editing, translations or installation of any CMS like WordPress or anything else. Also, you can just do email marketing. So as you can see, it's really easy. And of course, you can use Fiverr.com for your own purposes or just order something here in this beautiful website. For example, if you want to promote your business online, you can find some specialist who can read your text in English with clear and native English language, so it will be looks like native English company, and you can promote your website, your business everywhere, for example in USA or Europe and so on. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. If you like my video, please give me your feedback. It will very useful for me. It's one of my first video in English. As you see, my channel in Russian, and if you're interested in it, please view some of my other videos. I think it will also help you a lot. Thank you, goodbye.